to wear your Garmin HRM-600? Well, set it on your belt. And before you do that, you see here, there's the Garmin logo. It must match up with the Garmin logo here, meaning that you can't put it that way, you must put it that way. Once done, put the Garmin logo on the right side and put the belt on your chest. You can connect this part over here, there, and use this part to make it looser or tighter. From there you should see a blinking light here, meaning that it is connected. Well, if you need help to pair it, see the video just right here. But if it's blinking like that, it means that it is in function just right now. However, if you do not receive any signal from it on your watch or on your phone, maybe you need to make those parts that are on each side wet. You can use water, you can use saliva, or you can use sweat. So once you're wet, this will be working with your watch. So I hope this was helpful.